Welcome on board Naturalia Cruise. It's a modern classic luxury peninsula ready to take you to explore Komodo National Park. I'm Rico from Komodo Luxury. I will take you to this amazing boat. Follow me. The boat was built in Bulukumba in 2025, but it officially operated in 2026, so it's really a new boat in Labuan Bajo. So the boat can accommodate up to 24 paxes, the maximum for the tourist. And the size of the boat, the length overall, in total we have 33.45 meters, but the length on the deck is 26.55 meters, and the beam is 6 meters. So the power supply here, we have the main generator, we have 31.3 kilowatts ampere, and the backup generator, we have 31.3 kilowatts ampere. And the fuel capacity 4,000 liters. We have also cabin here, and it's located on the main deck. Wow, the room is so spacious. So it can accommodate up to 3 people, featuring 1 king-size bed right here. And we have an additional single beds, so it's an extra bed right here, so we can just put it out. And yeah, we have a plug right here, and of course we have an air conditioner, and we have Android television here. And also we have a private bathroom right here. And there's some water heater over there, and also there's like some spots over there for sitting, and we have like working space right here. So it's a chair and a table. From inside here you can still see the beautiful view because we have 2 huge windows over there. And yeah, this is a sliding doors that takes you to the private balcony. Here is our private balcony here. So we have some bathtub right here. And again, there's some spot for sitting over there. And also here's our table and the chairs. It also can be a working space, so you can work from here with the beautiful view around. Safety is our priority. So in every cabin we have a life jacket. Here's the life jacket. So don't worry with your safety during the sailing. Okay, now let's go to see another cabin. In total, we have 7 cabins on this boat, but 2 of the cabins are same type, so we have 6 different types of the cabin. And now I'm in the family rooms, so it's located on the upper there. Just look at this. This is amazing. So the cabin is so spacious, featuring 2 king-size beds over here, and it can accommodate up to 4 people. And right here, it's the space between of the beds. Yeah, left side and the right side there's a bed, and the favorite part here also is windows everywhere, so you can see the view around from the cabin as well. Okay, again, this is also the private balcony for your family rooms, and the space around right there in the corner, there's also some bathtub. That's a really nice spot over there. And also the spaces here is even bigger than the other balcony, so it can fit for other family members. And right here, there's some sitting spots. So this is such a perfect spot to spend with your family during the day. And again, the view is just amazing around. Okay, I'm still on the 2nd floor, so this is another room, so it's suite room number 1 because we have 3 suite rooms. So this one, it can accommodate up to 2 people, so we have queen-size beds over there. And of course, we have a private bathroom over here. And here, look at this. This is a lot of storage right here. So also there's some hanging space right over here. And again, there's some storage as well. And yeah, that's one for life jackets. And also it can be used for working space. So there's some charging spots over there. And there's some coffee or tea, and of course, yeah, we have air conditioner. And this one also we have private balcony. So in the corner over there, there's a bathtub over there. Okay, I'm still in the suite room number 2. It's still on the 2nd floor. So the different part here, it can accommodate up to 3 people with a queen size bed right here, and also an additional single beds right over here. We can just pull it out. So this is an extra bed. And also the room is still so spacious over there. And yeah, again, there's like some Android TV over there, and there's some coffee, there's some working space as well. And we also have a private bathroom over there with a water heater, of course, an air conditioner, and there's some charging spots right over there. Okay, I'm still on the second floor, so this is still suite room number 3 here. So the different part here, this one, it accommodates up to 4 people, featuring the queen size double bed right here. And yeah, of course, we have private bathroom over there and water heater as well. And we have also air conditioner, and there are also some charging spots. And the windows, there are like 4 windows, big windows. It's just amazing from here. You can still see the view around from the cabin. And also there's some coffee and some working space right here. It's just amazing here. Okay, here I am in the soaring balcony for suite room number 2 and number 3. Look at this. So this soaring balcony is really big, yeah. It's bigger even than the other balcony. So yeah, as you can see, like from the corner over there to here, so there's like some sitting spot. It's really good for chilling with friends or family here while enjoy the beautiful view. It's just amazing from here. Okay, here I'm on the lower deck. So there are 3 cabins down here on the lower decks, and yeah, we have 2 cabins right here on the left side and the right side. So it's the deluxe room. So I'm gonna review one of them. Okay, follow me. Okay, here's the room. As you can see here, there's like some queen size beds over there, and again, there's some private bathroom over here. There's some air conditioner, and also there's some coffee or tea rack over there, and there's some charging spot as well. Okay, here's the rooms. So it's accommodated up to 4 people. So we have 2 single beds right here, and also 1 queen size bed over here. And we have 2 bathrooms, but one of them only for shower room. And of course, we have air conditioner. We have some coffee or tea over there, and also there's some charging spot as well. There are indoor and outdoor dining areas, cozy lounge with the minibar and karaoke setup, plenty outdoor space to relax and enjoy the view. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. So now I'm on the rooftop of this boat. This is such a perfect spot. Look at the view around. And right there in front of me, so this is a nice spot to take photos on this boat. And also there are big bags over there. So also there's a nice spot for sunbathing or just to enjoy the view or relax to see the sunset with your friend or family. Hi, Captain.
Halo.
I'm Rican Captain. What's your name?
Nama saya Kapten Anto.
Okay, Captain Yanto. I have a question, Captain. How long you've been sailing in Indonesia?
Saya sudah berlayar 20 tahun lebih di Indonesia. Khususnya di Labuan Bajo ini saya sudah 13 tahun.
Wow, it's quite a lot. That's so professional. What makes sailing with Naturalia cruise is special for guests?
Jadi Naturalia Cruise ini didesain dengan sangat aman,
Yeah.
nyaman, dan stabil.
Yeah.
Ya, jadi kami punya kru juga yang sangat-sangat profesional.
How do you ensure the safety during the sailing with Naturalia Cruise?
Naturalia Cruise ini mempunyai banyak alat-alat navigasi dan keselamatan lainnya seperti GPS, radio, ais, deep sonder, life jacket, life raft, ban buoy. Dan kami punya satu speedboat.
Wow, it's very complete.
Ya, jadi untuk kenyamanan tamu itu kami pastikan aman.
Wow, it's top priority. What is the best time for the captain to sail through Komodo National Park?
Jadi waktu yang terbaik itu untuk berlayar di Taman Nasional Komodo itu adalah di pagi hari dan sore hari.
Iya.
Karena di pagi hari itu cuacanya itu bagus, airnya tenang. Sehingga cahaya untuk keindahan Taman Nasional sendiri itu sangat bagus dari
Beautiful. Iya. Okay, thank you for joining us on this tour of Naturalia Cruise. If you're looking forward for private luxury experience in Komodo, we look forward to welcome you on board.